Hello, and welcome to this video series on OSINT tools. OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence and refers to collecting, analyzing, and disseminating information from publicly available sources. In this video series, we will introduce you to some of the most popular and helpful OSINT tools that are available for you to use. These tools can help you gather information on individuals, organizations, and events from various sources such as social media, forums, and public databases. The first tool, for instance, we will be discussing is Maltigo. This tool is used for information gathering and data mining. It allows you to visualize relationships between different entities and see how they are connected. Another popular OSINT tool is the Wayback Machine. This tool allows you to see how a website looked at a specific time, which can help find information that has since been removed or changed. Another tool that is commonly used in OSINT is Spiderfoot. This tool automates gathering intelligence from various sources such as DNS, OS, and search engines. Many other OSINT tools are available such as ReconNG, OSINT Framework, and Datasploit. These tools have unique features and capabilities which can help gather information in different contexts. This will be a series of videos on OSINT tools, and we will cover various services in different fields. In the following video, we will cover social media investigation, then online reputation management, market research, cybersecurity threat intelligence, and so on. I'm not sure how many videos will be about OSINT tools, but I firmly believe that there will be at least 5-6 videos explaining those services and tools. Thank you for watching this video, and please give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more educational content if you found it helpful, and see you in the next video.